Hey guys, I don't know what you was doing before this, but it's back to BK.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be rich.
Hey guys, good morning. So today, July 20th, and this is the weekend before school. So basically, y'all just gonna get a back to school maintenance vlog with me. It's gonna be my hair done, my nails done, my lashes done. My hair appointment's at 8, but I feel like it's gonna take me an hour to get ready. Yeah, I had some forgettable and tight sleep last night because I knew I was getting my hair done today, so I did not wear no button to sleep. I wanted to sleep to hit extra hard, and it did. I ain't wake up not one time in the middle of the night or nothing, like nothing. So I'm going to hop in the shower, all that good stuff, and then be on the way to my hair appointment. I already know what I'm about to wear. I'm about to wear a set, y'all. I think TikTok done got me. I'm the set girly now. I only have like 3 sets, but still I'm a set girly. I feel it in my heart. Hey guys, so I just made it to my hair appointment. My mommy right there just dropped me off, and we're about to go see Imani, Miss Monet Slaves. I'm asking, I don't know, y'all. I'm in between right now. I kind of want to do a bob moment, but I also don't know. Okay. Guys, so I made it to my appointment and about to get started. Yeah, so I'm done. I look so tea. Yeah, I look so tea. It looks like my nails done, my lashes done. I look so tea. I look so tea. I love me. I don't know if y'all actually seen it, but just act like you did if you didn't. But yeah, I love my hair, y'all. And Imani is so sweet. She got me Chick-fil-A and all, and she been quick. So right now I'm just waiting for my folks to come get me because I told them 11, and in true black people fashion, they're late. So it's 11:33 right now, and I'm just waiting for them to pull up, and then yeah, my brother's getting his ears pierced. But that's not really important to the maintenance, but y'all might see it. It's now Monday, and hold on. There we go. It's now Monday, and it's currently 10:13. We have open house at 1 o'clock p.m. So, that's what I'll be headed to soon. But as far as maintenance goes, today we're gonna get our nails done. Probably go to Target, get our lashes done, and then we should pretty much set for maintenance. Cause it's really all I need to do. So right now I'm doing my devotional, and I'm about to start editing so that I can get a head start and not just be lollygagging. But yeah, so make sure you go check out the TikTok I'm gonna post for maintenance too. And that's really all I have to say right now. Y'all just gonna come along with me today as I finish up doing maintenance, and then school is Wednesday, guys. Like, this is just so surreal. Gonna be a junior. Doesn't even feel like I'm about to be a junior. Doesn't feel like I'm about to be a junior, but I am. So it's like really all I can do is just prepare myself as best I can and do what I can do. We are leaving. Well, I'm leaving open house. It was from 1 to 3. We got here at like 1:15, and we just now getting in the car. I've probably been sitting here for like 5 minutes. So right now, I'm about to go to the nail salon. They left me. They basically said, go be by yourself. We hate you. I need to eat though. I'm trying to decide if I want to eat first or do I just go straight to the nail salon, because like nail salon closes at 7, so I'm not in a rush to get there. But I also need to go to my friend's house so she can do my lashes. I think I'm gonna just go eat first, but I'm trying to figure out what do I even want to eat, because I feel like I want to eat like Chipotle, and I can't eat Chipotle and then I think I should just eat after I get my nails done. That just might be what it has to be. Or I just go get some fries from McDonald's or something. It could be something. I'm turning the air back on. I turned it down so I could talk to y'all, but like it is OD hot. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get my nails done first. If I maybe stop at a McDonald's or something. Maybe I'll stop at a McDonald's or something and then go get my nails done. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna just thug it out and then get Chipotle after. Cause that's what I'm feeling like. Hey y'all, so we made an impromptu stop at Destiny House. And after that, we're gonna be on the way to the nail salon. But intermission, Reese's gonna get her ear pierced. Reese's gonna pierce her third, both of them? Yeah. Her thirds. Y'all, I'm gonna get my thirds soon. I'm gonna get my thirds now, actually, because, yeah, I'm about to get my thirds.
You gonna let her do it?
No. Oh. Take myself right up to Claire's.
There you go.
Okay, y'all.
You didn't even let me get it on there yet.
I'm so nervous.
Wait, what to do?
Yeah, I'm so nervous. Like,
come on. I'm scared. Wait. It's stuck.
Oh no.
Wiggle it. There we go.
This side too. Which part of you? You need to get it on that.
Why you ain't got no ear? I barely got ear.
Y'all thought when I said when I'm getting my lashes done, y'all thought I was going to somebody sweet. You wrong. We at Lashes by Days. We at the Lashes by Days. Now these are lashes I got. Good old B&Q. I had some beauty supply lashes, but I'm not using those because they don't really last. And then I just need these to last 3 days. Next week, y'all probably not gonna be wearing no lashes. Got the bond and seal, all that. So y'all just need to see this. I might put it in a time lapse or something.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Ooh wee. And oh, you not done?
No.
But anyways, y'all, if I didn't wear glasses, then y'all be able to see them. But I mean, you can see them when I have my glasses on, but like not for real. But hey, y'all, we done. And then after this, we're about to go to the nail salon so I can get these claws and dots done. And I can't see my feet.
She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on winds. She tried to flight, nigga in this cat. She tried to flight me no way out.
Hey y'all, so we're leaving. There's a piece of hair on my head. We left the nail salon and now we are at Good Old Chipotle and go right down because I'm so hungry. I've not eaten since before open house and I only had a bagel, so. Oh shoot, y'all, the angle probably so booty. Hold on, wait. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. But hey y'all, so basically we just dropped off Destiny. I'm on the way to pick up my brother from the Y. If y'all don't know what the Y is, it's the YMCA. I don't know why I'm talking like, but like I think everywhere has a YMCA. But yes, y'all, so we're gonna go pick up my brother and then I'm gonna eat my Chipotle because I don't want it to get cold, and by the time I get home that's gonna be another 20 minutes and it's gonna be cold and I'm not trying to warm it up and do all that extra stuff, you know. So I'm pick him up, eat my Chipotle, then drive home, and then yeah, that'll really wrap it up. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. My back to school vlog will be dropping this Wednesday. Hold on, let me turn this off so y'all can hear me. But yes, my back to school vlog will be dropping this Wednesday, July 24th. So make sure you stay tuned to watch it because I am just, you know, so ecstatic to go back to school. Not gonna lie, like I actually am excited because like it's junior year, like high school's almost over. Like I'm just so ready to go, and at the same time I'm sad because a lot of my friends are seniors and they're leaving, but it's like they're gonna start new journeys. I'm gonna do my own thing. Like we're all gonna be cool, Gucci cool. So I hope y'all have a good back to school season, and just make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming videos because I'm dropping back to back to back to back to back. What's in my backpack video, back to school video, all of the above. So just stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.